Question 17. Notice this is a typical structure where we have quotations around the answers and a paragraph or line reference. We call this command of evidence questions. Essentially, you could get these right every time by following the same process. You first need to identify exactly what the condition is in the question. Do you really understand the question? If you do, only one answer choice will actually answer the question conditions. The others will not even answer the question. So let's take a quick look at this one. So which sentence from the excerpt best supports the idea that there were different levels of education for a scribe? So the key here is different levels of education for a scribe. That's what I need to find in the answers. A, however, contrary to popular belief, not all Egyptian scribes understood hieroglyphics. Well, that doesn't say anything about different levels of education. It just says there were different understandings. Not everybody understood those more complicated hieroglyphs. That's probably not the answer. I could see it confusing maybe a few students, but that's not it. B, for everyday purposes, however, scribes use a shorthand version of the hieroglyphic script known as hieratic, which is quicker to write in more economical space. Okay, that's factual, that's true. That does not indicate differing levels of education, again, which is the purpose of this question. C, this limited the scope for employment, but such on-the-job training allowed apprentices to help out at home. Well, that has nothing to do with different levels of education. C is eliminated. Hopefully it's D. D, for professions such as those of government official, priest, or lawyer, a scribe would train, so we're talking about education, would train for several more years, increasing his vocabulary to perhaps 1,000 or more signs. These are different levels of education based on different positions in government or whether you're a priest or a lawyer. This answers the question. It shows different levels of education for a scribe. D is the answer for 17.